SNS institution, a multidisciplinary global institution and the first institution to implement design thinking curriculum in education. Our institution works based on a holistic 5-group building centers. The 5 pillars are Center for Learning and Teaching, Skill and Career Development, Center for Creativity, Industry Institute Partnership Cell, and Social Responsibility Initiatives.
Hello everyone, this is Arjun, a 12th grade student of SNS Academy, delightfully welcoming our guest Mr. A.V. Selvan sir, a tea taster by profession who is currently running a manufacturing unit of tea bags named Camellia Fresco under partnership. It's ecstatic to welcome you, sir. To begin with, what made and motivated you to begin a manufacturing unit of tea bags, and what are your respective personal goals for this business?
Okay, hi Arjun. Arjun, to be frank, it's not a motivation. It was a forced circumstances which led me to start my own unit. That means I was not able to get along with the bosses in the previous company where I was working as a marketing person. Okay, that was, in fact, I can very well say it is a circumstances. Maybe in the back of my head, maybe back of my mind, I may have this intention, maybe after retirement or something like that. That was my motivation. I pre-planned. That is how I started this. Since I only work I know is tea, so I got into this business. Goal, that as you said, there is no specific target, but in the long run, I now see that this is the first year for us. We have done about 5 crore turnover. My ambition, I can say that we want to reach a target of 100 crore turnover. That is what my ambition. Okay, carry on.
Okay, sir. How do you manage the distribution of your product?
Okay, this is actually it's an export item. Okay, so the distribution that our point of distribution, sending it to the port for shipment. Rest everything is taken care by the buyer who buys from us. Mostly it's in African countries and all. So our distribution only up to the port, where our ends our distribution. Then only the feedback when it reaches to abroad and all, we collect it to correct if there is any flaws.
Well, sir, I have a personal question for you. What is your inspiration, sir? Do you have any role model?
Strictly speaking, see, role model as such, I have a lot of bosses I had. I cannot pick it up. I observe them, and that you can say that there are a lot of role models. More than that, I read books. See, one quote I wanted to quote you. See, wherever you are, whatever you are, okay, you just observe. That was the inspiration. Inspiration is, see, whether you like your boss or not, but do your duty, irrespective of your liking and disliking. So that the tomorrow boss may change, circumstances may change. If you do your duty, pakka, that will pay you dividend later on. That is what my inspiration as such. The kind of reading I did during my career.
That was really good to know. Let's move to the next question, sir. Is pandemic affecting the unit's operation, and what is the biggest support of our company during this crisis?
I can very well say that it is workers who had helped us. This tea, our product, as you are aware, our product is tea. Tea being an essential item, we didn't have any issues as such on operational side. I can say that the workers who supported even during pandemic, that has helped us. Even the government also supported the society. So we should easily overcome this chaos of pandemic. Workers, in fact, they attended the duties. Keeping social distancing, personal hygiene, everything they followed strictly. That had helped us, in fact. The awareness among the workers.
Okay, sir. To begin a business like this, we all require a lot of cooperation between the partners. So, what should we exactly expect from our business partners?
Okay, as you asked, absolutely. Partners are the backbone of this any business. If you don't have a good partner, you are finished. You may have knowledge, you may have everything you have, but if you don't have a understanding and broad-minded, aggressive partners, you will not become successful. It's a teamwork. In my case, it's because of the partnership I am surviving. That aggressiveness, and what is their decision-making capacity of my partners, and their nature. Even I can say my partners are philanthropists. Even during the pandemic, no, I saw them helping their workers by providing them mobile phone for their children to attend online classes and all. In that case, my partners, uh, I'm indebted to them by all means. So they are the strength of this business.
Great, sir. Is your potential partner's commitment to the business as strong as yours?
Oh, more than me, more than me. Their commitment is understanding the discussion and their acceptances, if, pinpointing the fault flows, all that. They're above. They're in fact their contribution is much more than what I'm expecting. The kind of cooperation, all that and their experience they are putting in is tremendous. It is helping me like anything. It's tremendous. The bonding and understanding, we are together always. That has made a lot.
I would be very grateful to you if you share with us some tips and tricks which would be useful for the college graduates who want to become an entrepreneur, sir.
Okay. What I can tell you. Uh, See, my experience. I'll tell you. I was a marketing guy. Okay, so I know the market. I know the customers where I can sell and all. But I didn't confine to marketing alone. I was looking after the production area also, operational area also. I was forced to do that. So that what certain the operational area also I could learn. So which if I'm only a marketing person, I wouldn't have able to start my own manufacturing unit. Since my operational experience also played into a good role in it. So my suggestion, suppose tomorrow you are in a marketing profession, but try to learn something in the production or operational side, and also it would also be helpful if you try to learn little of finance also, so that no you don't have to depend on anybody. Suppose if I was not involved in operational side, in order to start this business I had to be uh, I had to seek the help of the person who was good at production. So it is not easy to find out a person like that. So wherever you are, try to grab knowledge in all the areas. Apart from that, my suggestions are, suppose you are going to, as a student, or you are going to a village, you have to observe them for what is their earning, how do they live, what is their income, and what is their cultivation. All that you try to, simple thing, you try to learn every day, you will get a lot of knowledge. So observe wherever you go, try to observe people. So you will get a good ideas. So that will help you a lot. And one more thing I want to tell you, what we call profession. Profession, as a small definition for profession is, see, you are asked to do something, but you don't like to do it. Okay, you are asked to do it, but you don't like to. Even in that situation, whatever you do will be perfect. You don't like to do it. You are half-mindedly you are doing, but the result, what come out will be excellent. That is what is a profession. You may have a lot of issues at home, but when you do a duty, you are giving a good result. You are giving a good product. That is what a professional means. So that you just follow. That is what my humble advice to you as a student.
Thank you, sir. Those were some really remarkable points. We, the members of IIP Cell, are really thankful to you for lending your valuable time with us, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. It is nice talking to you, Arjun. Thank you very much. I hope I shared little bit experience what I have. I think so. I wish you all the best in your career. I wish you really all the best to become an entrepreneur.
Yes, sir. Thank you.